Hi everyone, this is Janus and welcome to Mintay Papers. I'm here to show you my process on how I created this DIY journal cover using Mintay Papers Berrylicious. First thing I did was prime my surface. So this is a blank canvas journal cover and I just coated it with some white gesso. Once that's dry, I used a stencil and some modeling paste and added some texture to my base. Next, I painted it over with some metallic blue acrylic, basically just painting over the areas that have textures so you can see them and you can see the effect of the design. I also feathered out the outside portions of the paint, so it's fading it from a very darker shade of blue to almost white. That way it blends in better into the base. Doing so kind of makes the composition appear more cohesive. Before moving on to our elements, I'm smearing in some blue glitter acrylic to give it more shimmer. So my base is done. Now, I'm adding in a shaker as my focal point for the design of my journal cover. So I used one of the windows from the window book and hollowed out the glass portion of the windows. Basically, I just have a clear plastic envelope here and some sequins. I used my hot glue to seal in the open portions of the plastic envelope. So this doesn't have to be perfect as those parts will be hidden behind the window. And once I have all the sequins sealed in, I'm going to glue it in place. Now it's time to decorate. So I used most of the fuzzy cuts from the collection. It's either paper number 9 or you can check the back portion of the cover, which is paper number 7. I already put my shaker at the center of the journal cover, but I haven't glued it in place yet. I'm slowly going to work my way into incorporating the elements. First up is I used some of paper number 1 to create an extra layer at the back of my window. And then I'm adding bits and pieces of the flowers and fruits onto the layout. And I'm focusing mostly on the upper left corner and the lower right corner of my window. I cut up pieces from the floral book to add some more blue flowers here. And I've added in a few butterflies here and there. As for the back portion of my journal cover, I'm keeping it simple by just placing this basket and a few other flowers and fruits to add more design. And that's it. This is the finished journal cover design. You can add in notebook inserts inside and you're ready to journal in for the year. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mintay Papers YouTube channel. Follow us on social media and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!